Hi, this is Hannah Erica, and welcome to the Hannah E Gets Crafty channel. Today, I am going to be working on a t-shirt for myself for the summer and for the spring. I've been going crazy with this t-shirt making. I've been loving my heat press and my silhouette Cameo 4. And I've been only really dealing with Siser Easyweed because it's so easy to work with. And so I've never really tried any other one. So I bought a bunch of that. And today I want to do something unique with a t-shirt because I have really stacked up a lot of t-shirts. And so I want it to be something different. And so I remember having off the shoulder tops, and I wanted to like take a larger t-shirt, cut the neck wider so it can kind of fall off the shoulders, and also put something cool on the front. So that's what I'm doing today. So I already cut and weeded my designs. I decided to go with something that I really love, but I kind of play on it, you know, a unique look of it. So you'll see that in a minute. And I also embezzled it to make it more interesting because I just like layering things. It's just so cool.